Hello friends, welcome back to QuantSap, our second video. In this, I'll be taking you to the course contents. Course contents of Jodi Bhav. What is Jodi Bhav? It is basically in normal options language known as straddle price. So why I call it as Jodi Bhav? I told you na, Jodi Bhav, JB, Jyoti Budhiya, JB, same initials. So I've designed it as Jodi Bhav course. Something in my name. At least you all can remember me forever. Not only you, your generations, the other people coming in the market can remember me forever. Yes, JB, 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 JB. Anyway, so in this course contents, what we will be doing, first I'll be taking you all to the open interest. Open interest plays a major role. Open interest of futures, which will give you the understanding of built up cycles like long built up, short built up, long unwinding, short covering. Then we will understand open interest on options. We'll understand the option chain a little bit to understand where does the open interest in calls and puts stands and how they will help us. Then I'll be combining both of them, that is futures open interest as well as options open interest. And after that, we will understand in the movement of trading which side to trade. That's what you are looking for, to find a trading view. Got it? Yes. Then I'll show you how to design the Jodi Bhav sheet. Jodi Bhav is like a glitter to this course. It can give you the range of the market on expiry to expiry basis. When I say expiry to expiry basis, friends, suppose if I come to know that this share's price is going to go up, or this index is going to go up or down, but when? That is the most important thing when it comes to futures and options. I say the price will rise by 10% or fall by 10%, or there is a movement of 10%. But it might take around a month or so. Is it useful? I don't know. Because when I'm saying this, I may be in the beginning of the month or near the end of the expiry. So that is more important. So when I'm getting the range of upward downward movement, it helps me for expiry to expiry movement. So this is why first thing we will design the sheet. Then in next video after that, show you when it moves in one side till where it can go. If it moves the other side, till where it can go. So this is how we can interpret things. Of course, yes, there are some miraculous things also. Want to know now? Let me keep some suspense, na? Do you see the suspense in the beginning and then watch the movie? No, na? So let us keep it at the end only and let us go by the flow. Right? And then finally we will put all together. And I'll be using the combinations of open interest of futures, open interest of options with Jodi Bhav, and combining all together how you will trade the whole month. One thing, friends, I will tell you all that if you want to prepare the Jodi Bhav, or if you want to trade, whatever you want to do, you cannot monitor all FNO stocks. So monitor stocks which you can easily have a control on it, maybe 8 stocks, maybe 10 stocks, maybe 15 stocks. But whatever you monitor, whatever you trade, try to see that the options are highly liquid in that. Reason, if we are doing futures, then I don't trade without a hedge. As I told you, I had lost a huge amount whenever I did an unhedged trade. By hedging, my profit may be less, but I'm insured. But unhedged trade has given me such a bad experience. I have lost a huge amount in that. And you know what? After a loss, अक्कल आ जाती है. नहीं आती है, can't do anything. As I told you, when you see the prices, no, everything goes for a toss. But still try to maintain that, because it will help you a lot in life. You also want to stay in the market for how many decades, for how many generations? If yes, if you want to grow like a banyan tree, you want your children to grow in the stock market, your generations, so like a banyan tree, keep growing. And to keep growing, it is a discipline and emotions which you have to control. In other words, I can say that business do not have any emotions. Any businessman, he does his business strategically. He does not do it with emotions. Same way what we are doing, we are also doing business. Every trade is a business deal for us, right? Yes. So you monitor 10 stocks, you monitor 15 stocks, you monitor 5 stocks, but monitor which are liquid in options. And the most important thing, don't leave the track of those stocks or indices which you are watching regularly. Don't do it in this way. This stock has given me this money in this particular month. Now this month let me try this stock. No. Make them your best friends. If you don't have a trade in them, don't trade. But don't stop monitoring. Got it? Initially, you'll find it tough. But slowly, once your observation is proper, you'll get a knack of it and you can start smoothly in your trading life. One biggest disclaimer: the moment you see video, don't think that you have become the master. I will say, after that, you need a lot of practice. Start very small, very small, maybe in some very small quantity like cash, because our basic understanding or basic criteria is to get the trend and to work it properly. So let us start very slowly. Keep our stop losses in place. Keep our targets as per what we are learning, and then move on. So friends, I think you have understood what I'm trying to tell. So let's start our course. So first chapter is open interest of futures. So study, learn, earn. Got it? Let's start. Let's rock on. Upcoming in next video, open interest with futures. Bye.